Rob has big plans for tonight, so he's upgrading to a SALUS Smart Home System. Let's see if SALUS can help him make a good impression. Nothing like a fresh cup of coffee after a long night. Now you've seen how SALUS can improve your lifestyle, let's find out more about the Smart Home System. The UG600 Universal Gateway is the brain of the SALUS Smart Home ecosystem. It allows you to connect, configure and control all of your SALUS Smart Home devices. For easy interfacing, you can use our smartphone app or issue voice commands via either Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The SALUS Smart Home app allows you to easily define one-touch rules. For example, with one touch of a virtual button, you can activate ambient lighting, raise the temperature by 1 degree, and open the roller shutters. Connect a whole universe of devices through the gateway to facilitate efficient energy management, safety, comfort, and convenience in your home with SALUS Smart Home.